Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Range Rover Vogue. So from any screen, that's the sat nav button here. But also, if you go on to the home menu, you'll see there sat nav is in the bottom right hand corner, and if you click on there, it gives you the sat nav screen. Or alternatively, you can click on that like a little arrow in a circle, and then onto destination entry. Destination entry, easiest one's postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. It defaults to numbers 5. It's a good system. Some of them, if there's only 2 digits, you have to put a space in, but you don't with the Range Rover. So it's PR5 4JS. OK. Just asking you, that's the postcode up there, and you've got to agree, and then click go. Destinations nearby, please check map. We're sat on the forecourt, so just confusing it slightly. That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.